Good morning students, I am back again with another session of science. Today we are going to revise chapter 1, living and non-living things. Yes, you have already studied this chapter in April, right? April and May. But since your PT1 is approaching, even if it is in the form of activities, we must recall the chapters that we have studied earlier. So let's start. So today we will be discussing natural and man-made things and living and non-living things. So I've written a question here. So let's read it. Identify the examples in the box below and group them into natural and man-made things. So here there are certain examples in this box and we have to group them as natural and man-made things. First we'll recall what are natural things. Natural things that are available in nature naturally, okay, that are already given to us by God, like sun, wind, air, right? Stars, constellation, planets. These are the things that occur naturally in nature. Then man-made things. Man-made things are the things that are made by man and do not occur naturally in nature. For example, buildings, cars, bed, etc. Right? So let us start grouping these objects in natural and man-made things, as natural and man-made things. So the first one is cloud. Cloud is natural or is it man-made? Correct, it is natural. So I will put it under natural things. Let's look at the next one. I cross it out. Hat. Hat is a man-made thing. So I will put it under man-made thing. Next, sun. Sun is natural or man-made? It is natural. So I will put it here under natural things. Okay. Next is pencil. Pencil is man-made thing. So let me write it down here. Pencil. Okay. Next is pen. Pen is natural or is it man-made? It is also man-made, just like the pencil. Next, star. Stars are natural. Stars are natural. Okay. So, star is also a natural thing. Plants. Plants will go under natural things or man-made things. Correct. Plants are also natural things. Next, television. Star is done, plants is done. Television. Television is natural thing or a man-made thing? It's a man-made thing. So let me write down. So after I made these groups, I am clear about the thing that natural things are the things which are available naturally, okay? And man-made things are the things which are made by man or human beings for their use. Okay, we use both natural as well as man-made things. Now let us move on to the next topic, living and non-living. So the next question, again we have a list of things and we are going to group them as living and non-living things. Identify the examples in the box. These are the examples in the box below and group them as living and non-living. Now we have to group them as living and non-living. Can you recall what are living things and what are non-living things? Living things are the things which have life in them and non-living things are the things which do not have life in them. So let us now group them as living and non-living. So the first one is car. Car is a living thing or a non-living thing? It's a non-living thing. So I write down here car. Next, boy. Boy is a living thing or a non-living thing? Boy is a living thing. Okay, be it a boy, be it a girl, they are all living things. They all have life, right? They all have life in them, so they are living things. Next, dolphin. Dolphin is a fish. So fish is living or non-living? It is living. So let's cut it out and write it down here. Dolphin is a living. Okay. Next, bed. You all sleep on the bed. So is it a living thing or non-living thing? It's a non-living thing. Simple as that. Right? Toys. Toys, do they have life or they don't have life? They don't have life. So naturally toys are non-living things. So I'll write down here toys. Next, bird. A bird has life in it. So it is a living thing. So I'll write down here bird. Next, plants. Now plants are living or non-living? Plants, children, are living things. Plants are living things. Why? Plants are living things. Even if they cannot move from one place to another, but they do grow, right? And they breathe also, they make their food also. So plants are living things. Next, cut it out. Next is table. Table is a living thing or a non-living thing? It's a non-living thing. Alright. So today we recall the difference between natural and man-made things as well as living and non-living things. That's all for today's session. Keep revising, keep practicing. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next session.